Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to delete any photos you're tagged in on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on our channel because we post content like this. And to get notified for our content in the future, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So for this, click on the three line at the top right corner right below the messenger icon. Then you can scroll down until you see setting and privacy, and after you see setting and privacy, click on setting and privacy and then click on settings, and then after settings is open, scroll until you see activity log and click on activity log. And once you're in activity log, as you guys can see, activity you're tagged in, and click on manage your tags. Once this opens up, it's gonna show you the things in which you are tagged in, the photo, videos, comment, whatever you're tagged in. Now to go to photo section, you can just click on filter, categories, and on this you can click on photos you're tagged in. Now it's gonna show you those photos in which you're tagged in, and to remove the photos you're tagged in, you can just click on these three dots at the left, and over here these are option. Now you can view it or you can remove tag. So if you want to remove the tag, you can just click on remove tag and then click on remove, and the tag will be removed. But if you want to delete the photo, then you can just click on report tag. Now right now I'm not able to report this because this is the photo in which I tagged myself. Like I used my own account to tag myself, like Vichy Kevin was tagged in a photo. So but let me show you an example of like how you can do this. So go to your manage your tag. So Vichy Kevin was tagged in a photo, so my friend tagged me in a photo, right? In a post, I'm sorry, but like in photo as well, you do the same thing. Click on these three dots, report tag. By reporting tag, what this is gonna do is click on something like which you didn't like just click on something else why you want to remove the photo, like intellectual property or something like that, or sharing private images. I'm just gonna click on sharing private images, and then after clicking on this, then I can click on next, and it's like reporting Facebook to remove the photo which I was tagged in because I didn't like it, and the Facebook is gonna review it, and then if they want to delete it, they would delete it, and if they think that deleting it is not right, then you can't. So basically you can only remove your tag. To delete it, you have to ask your friend to just delete the photo or report the photo, and Facebook will delete it after inspecting it. These are the process. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.